Jingle Miner sent me this Bitcoin Solo Miner rig, and in this video we're going to see the art of finding a block. Let's see first what we have in a box, and it starts with a manual of the miner itself, and there is also an SMA adapter. We'll see it's running over Wi-Fi. Jingle Miner have covered us, and there is outlet adapter for any part of the wall. And there is as well a power supply adapter rated for 25 watt, which is approximately an old light bulb. And what left in the box? The Jingle Miner itself. The little antenna just works as long as you're close to your router. The miner itself is pretty minimalistic. Two buttons, one to shut off the screen, the second one to change what is displayed on it. This Bitcoin miner is designed as a first step into the hobby and is easy to use directly from your phone. For this video, however, I will continue using my PC with a regular browser so I can record the screen. Jingle Miner have their own profitability page, but they do not only showcase their own miner. And for instance, we could filter out with the search bar here. And here we go. We have the Solo Lite that I'm testing here in this video. Once you're connected to the Jingle Miner SSID, just open your browser. The first things to do is to connect the miner to your Wi-Fi, and as always, I recommend using a dedicated network for IoT device. Then the second step is setting up your Bitcoin mining pool. I will come back to what this actually means later in the video when we will look at the numbers. During this video, Jingle Miner also informed you there is a web flasher. This means you could flash the Jingle Miner via your web browser. All you need to do is connect it over USB. Then you will hit connect, select USB G tag and hit connection. And from there, you will select the version you have and the firmware you want to flash, and then start flashing. But here I will not start flash because I'm currently mining and I'm on the go. So it's not something I want to do right now. You need to take your time and follow the process here in this page. So with the new firmware, you will have access to the Jingle Miner monitor. This is a dashboard to manage all your Jingle Miner, and that will save you a lot of time for configuration and troubleshooting because you could access them from everywhere, basically remotely over the Jingle Miner dashboard. Now let's look at the numbers. If you have configured everything correctly, the hash rate, it's basically how much computing power the miner here is being used, is clearly increasing. And as we are mining here, we are submitting shares, which are just small proof that our mining is doing its part in the proof of work in the pool. And for that, I will define what the pool is and basically my takeaway about mining using a solo miner like the Jingle Miner. Mining with a pool means that we are combining the power of a group of miners and sharing the rewards, proportionally, of course. So now let's look at the numbers. To sum it up, we have an approximately 200 euro miners consuming about 23 watts. One thing is certain, we know exactly how much it costs to run. And if you're curious about the actual rewards, at the time of recording this video, they are roughly about €1 per month, and this amount might decrease in the near future as the difficulty of finding a block increases. So, what's the point of this device? Think of it as a lottery ticket. You could hit a block worth around 250k, but the odds are really tiny. It's not really about the profit, it's about learning about Bitcoin and what it means to run your own node. Trust me, I've been there. I used to mine before and I sold my coins way too early. And that's why I'm now on YouTube.